Hello and welcome to this short video on a Kupo quarter 20 male to quarter 20 male thread adapter. The Kupo adapter consists of two, can you guess? Quarter 20 male threads opposite one another. Quarter 20 means that the diameter of the bolt is quarter inch, and the 20 signifies 20 threads per inch, and male because it's a boy. It allows you to join any two accessories or devices with quarter 20 female threads, such as this cold shoe adapter and this max arm. Let's mount a Photix flash on a riser of a Master C stand with a max arm rigged to a combi clamp. First, let's mount the combi clamp to the riser section of our Master C stand by placing the jaws around the riser section and turning the handle clockwise until snug. Now we'll mount the max arm into our combi clamp by placing the 5/8 inch baby stud with the female 3/8/16 thread into the baby receiver of the combi clamp. Then turn the set screw until snug. Screw the quarter 20 male thread of the adapter into the baby stud with the quarter 20 female thread of the max arm. Now screw the cold shoe adapter onto the quarter 20 male of the other side of the adapter. Now we'll mount the Photix flash into the hot shoe and tighten the set screw until secure. Lastly, we'll loosen the hand wheel on the max arm. Position our flash wherever you'd like and then tighten the hand wheel to secure in place. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.